Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for joining me here today. I am working on day 26 of Chrissy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches, and the Dotty About Flair prompt is punches or dies. This is going to be a full process video because I didn't get this one done, as I've done several days this week videos on layouts that I made at a crop. So I'm going to do everything in this video, maybe sped up a little bit here and there, but you'll get to see the process. So this is a really pretty sketch, and I love the floral elements, 2 pictures, a title, and a little, the balance, you know, it's just really nice where they have the photos. However, I'm going to go with the dots and 4 photos of my grandson at his sister's birthday party. And I need to balance these out. And using the sketch, the dot background, I've got the paper I'm going to use. This is from Cake Day, from Close to My Heart. And that's all I've pulled out so far. So yeah, I'm not really prepared on this one. I do have some images left on this sticker sheet I want to use up. So those could be my embellishments. But I may do some ghosting on this. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to think about it a little bit and cut my photos down and see what inspiration I get. The photos are matted and put onto white. And I brought in this piece of green that was from the Cake Day collection, and it was that bulk paper. So I'm going to layer it onto this base. Let's put this on my mat, just to give some distinction between the very busy polka dot background and the photos, rather than mat them all again on like this green. I'm just going to put this layer, and then I'm also going to use this white border to someplace for your eye to rest, and then I'm going to have the little stickers sticking out here for the sketch idea here of having the leaves and the flowers poking out. So the photos I'm going to stagger. I'm going to have them, because see, they have this part down here that is like dead space. I could also do this one there, and there, and there. So yeah, the photos are not all on the green, but that's okay. I wanted to stagger them. And then I cut out this zip strip and left a little bit of the yellow showing so that I could put it here. And I like that. And then I did have this strip of yellow. I was thinking about putting it here, but I don't know if it's doing anything for me there. I'm going to wait and see. I might. So let me get this glued down, and then we will embellish. Just want to mention, as I'm putting this down, I want to be able to tuck things underneath this side, so I'm not going to put glue on that side. Put the green stripe at the 2-inch mark. Now you don't see a lot of distinction here between this white zip strip and the white base background. So I'm going to get out my black marker from Close to My Heart, and I want the thickest one that I have, which is the 0.05. And I'm going to draw a black line. And this could be construed as a black border. You know, if I had thought, I could have put black behind here and given it that look. But using your markers for that purpose gives you, you know, more to do with it. And it's much easier. And look at it, it looks great. It looks like there's actually a black piece there. So I'll probably do that along the side of this white as well. So let's get that glued down. Okay, I've got that glued down. So let's go ahead and put the black border there as well. And you want to be careful doing this. Move it off of my Versamat. That you don't go off onto your paper. So you want to just very carefully drag it down. I think adding a little bit of black to your layouts really helps to ground them. It just makes such a huge difference visually. Okay, I decided to put all of my photos in a line, and then this photo is going to be over here, and then I will have the decorations come out behind it. So I got out my foam so that I can pop it up, and this is just fun foam. Makes it very easy and economical to pop up big photos like this, so that fits good. I've decided that I'm going to lay my stickers over top of that border instead of underneath. And I'm going to use a bunch of these stickers. And then I can also lay my embellishments over the top. They can be overlapping, that's fine. And some of these I can pop up as well. So let's get that foam out. Can make strips with this. I put the title on it as well. I love to use this for my stickers because I just stick the sticker on the foam, and then the adhesive from the foam will go on the page, so I don't have to use any more glue. He has such a devious little look in his face here. He was actually looking at the cake. I couldn't wait to dig in. Everything's stuck down, and I put it up on foam tape. The title here I put onto foam tape, and it kind of stuck down there, but that's okay. What I'm going to do now, and I should have done it before I put it on foam tape, is I'm going to outline this with this marker again to give it some more definition and pop. Because you can see the black letters. There is a little here, but it's not as evident. So I'm going to bring that black lettering over here to party. And you can already see how much it really is making that title stand out. Okay, I finished the layout, and I really like it. I put some strips here for my journaling. It really made it interesting. It draws your eye to look at it and see what it has to say. I love the outline on that party title. I thought about doing some of these elements, but I didn't want to bring the attention to those. I want the attention to be the title, the photo, and these photos. So I think it came out really nice. Again, this is the sketch, and I think I kept to it pretty well. I just didn't use the florals because this actual photo can be in place of this. So I love it. It's really fun, and even though there's a lot of pink, I think there's a lot of blue and green to offset that for the little boy's page. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate comments and likes, and thank you for joining me. Close-ups at the end. Make sure you check out everybody else who is doing this sketch. The links are in the video description. Have a great day.